see those cars? Yeah, that's the very long queue going to the testing center. Okay, so I am now here in the COVID testing. Actually, there is a very long queue of the cars. And now I hope that I don't get COVID from that testing site and in the future. You know, I'm going to cook a curry. Lots of frozen vegetables. Okay, it is boiling now. Check the taste. Wow, good. No need to put salt. This is it. I'm going to eat that tonight or maybe tomorrow. It is now 3:22. And look at that, it is raining again. Imagine if I stay on the line of the cars. For sure I'm still there and I'm now wet. Yo, yeah, I'm now, this is my third copy. Yeah, this is my third cup of coffee for today. And the good thing is I don't put sugar in it. Yeah, I didn't put sugar today in any of my coffee. Nice. The taste is alright, better than tea. Because the tea doesn't have any taste. That's why I still prefer the coffee. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is raining outside. Yeah, since I wake up this morning, it was raining. Yeah, it's good that I continue to go to the COVID testing yesterday because I was already on my way going back, and then I realized that, oh, if I don't come today, maybe tomorrow is going to rain. Yeah, I balanced the scenario, and I finally decided to go to the testing. And I'm happy that I did. The lady who did the testing gave me a paper and I actually didn't look at it. Once you have been swabbed, please self-isolate as per the NSW Health Self-Isolation Guidelines. I'm still waiting for the result. 72 hours, yeah. There are still time that, there are still days, yeah, there are still time that it is cold. Yeah, and wearing this, yeah, it feels very comfortable. I'm hungry now. And I'm going to steam some frozen vegetables. Okay, so this is my big breakfast. Nice. Yeah, so there are new Apple products. I don't know, I'm not impressed anymore of the update. Of the latest features. I found the love. It's still raining. Yeah, it is now 3:32. Still, I didn't receive any message from the COVID testing. Yeah, this is my second meal. Okay, according to the news that there are 2 new cases here in Port Stephen. But they didn't mention if it is here in this Bay Area. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now, what's that? Yeah, it is now 5:09. And I am now having my cup of coffee. Yeah. Very early in the morning. I sleep at 7:30 last night. And yeah, before getting off the bed, I saw the message from the testing center. And it says that your COVID-19 test result for the sample collected on September 14, 2021 is negative. This message is from the testing center. Yeah, thank you very much. And today will be rainy again, according to the forecast. But in the afternoon, the sun is going to show. That's it. And they have this meat pie. I'm going to toss it here. Coming from the microwave. Just to satisfy my meal, I am going to put a little rice. Because without rice, I will still feel the need to eat the rice. And it is now 7:10. The next meal probably is around 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it is now 10:30. And this plant is getting so much leaves now. Yeah, I don't like it with so much leaves. Maybe I'm going to cut some. Okay, not today. I am actually trying to organize my vaccination because until now I'm not vaccinated and no booking yet because I'm hoping to have the Pfizer. What I am worrying about is that, as most of you know, there are some cases of blood clotting with the AstraZeneca. And so I am trying to book a doctor, but most of the clinic, they are not accepting new client. That is because of the lockdown situation. Yeah, the lady said, sorry, it's very tricky these days, I know, but yeah, that's the rules. Yeah, the rain has stopped. It is already 1:35. I just went outside to put the garbage bin because today is there is a magpie. Yeah, that magpie is actually looking for a spider. Yeah, if they are on the grass, they are hunting worm. I'm going to make a fried rice. I need to put a little soy sauce. When I was a kid, this is what I eat. Just rice, oil, and soy sauce. Yeah, that is good already. Oh, this is just right. It is now 5:10 and the sun is setting down already down outside. Yeah, and I'm editing this video. I'm going to upload it tonight. So I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 8 o'clock. And I'm going to prepare my meal. Today is going to be very good outside. Look at that, nice weather. So yeah, I still have this frozen. I still have some good for 2 meal still. Yeah, this is our meal. I am doing my laundry. I still have in the washing machine, but some are already outside. And you know this one that I bought from Kmart online? Yeah, it's not good on my bike. Yeah, wasted. I think it's just $12 or $6. I forgot. Yeah. And today there is new GoPro Hero 10, but I'm not interested to buy because the features is not really the big enhancement. Yeah, the new features doesn't really impress me. That's why I'm going to keep this GoPro Hero 9. I'm going to prepare now my meal, and this is going to be this one. Yeah, this meat pie that is frozen. And then I'll put here to crunchy the bread. This is my lunch because it's already 1:40. I will eat again rice later, maybe 5 o'clock. Yeah. Do you know that I don't put coffee? I don't put sugar on my coffee. And because of that, I don't feel really hungry. Yeah, maybe the sugar that is making the people hungry. Time is running really fast. It is already 1:53. Now it's time for my second coffee. Oh, can you imagine? Yeah, boiling of water is very easy. When I was young, boiling of water takes 1 hour. Sometimes we first need to go to the outside to get dry woods. Yeah, to make a fire pit for boiling the water. Okay. Yeah, this is the last batch of my laundry. The other one, I think it's already dry. Awesome. It's been 3 days that I don't put sugar on my coffee. I still put milk. Oh, last night I ordered online grocery from Woolworths.